The Spark kit includes 3 main modules: the camera module, the gripper module, and the force sensor module. Next, we will introduce the installation of the camera module, 6-axis force sensor module, and gripper module. First, we install the camera module on the 6-dimensional force sensor module. Next, using the screws provided with the sensor, mount the sensor cover and the camera installation plate on the robot stand. Mount the force sensor on the cover. Use 2 M3x4 hexagon socket head cap screws to fix the camera on the camera installation plate. Using 6 M3x8 hex socket cap screws, attach the gripper mounting plate to the sensor. Use 4 M6x8 hexagon socket head cap screws to fix the gripper installation plate on the electric gripper. Use 2 M6x8 hexagon flat head screws to fix the gripper installation plate on the sensor. Use 4 M2.58 hexagon socket head cap screws and 2 A-type 2.56 cylindrical pins to fix the universal chuck on the electric gripper. To log into the web, enter the access address 192.168.58.2 to enter the web operation interface. In the robot initial settings, user peripherals, and peripherals configuration, complete the device type selection configuration.